we create a constructor for game component. The next part is the render method. In the render method, first of all, we need a div which its class name is game, and another div inside which is class name game board. Great. Inside this, we use board component, and when you press tab, it included automatically. And here, if you go back to board component, you need to know how many probes does it needs. The first probe is squares, which is an array, and the second one is onClick. So here I set onClick, which accepts the index of a square which is clicked, and this dot onClick with the index parameter, and the second parameter or probes for board is squares, which is current square, current dot squares, and close the component. Here we need to set the current state of the square in the render function. But before that, you need to define the history, which comes from state, and define current state to history, and the index of history we're gonna put for current is step number, this dot state dot step number. So this variable has a property which is a square and has the current state of our board. Set the CSS for game. Here it's the game, and this CSS stuff put the game board at the center of the screen vertically and horizontally. The next step we're gonna do is to use game component inside app.js. Remove all the stuff from return method and just set game component. There you are. You have the initial state of your game component. If you click on it, it will not work because we didn't implement it on